Me ba na meet you, but before I make up, one samana work about a runner yaman appointment, a presidential staff issue. I mean, Kafa Yako, some comma a year. Akwetiam na shebedwani a wanya ne baby ko NSKumi abusuafo na mehwe ni pictures amahwe nyina chese wo shekawa chese wo yire na ni fia wedi no see me very sure say o ma oba kunafo o maso a ema asabre o madane nyanka ni mo nyina shedding ene yako no mo ben ne chese o no nya obi a na o yare da ho ase ni wuo no ko yese ko fashion ye kase yenya details nyama enam so ema odi ahwe ne kwafri kwamu wi yesire twede amponyankopon se onfa ne kra ensie ye na MPP se amanyoko so yema omo yakọ emi se MPP ni amato ma ade ato mani ankasa ye kase MPP opa na sinimo hu kutokuro ne crashim press conference omo ye mfa demonstration omo ya emfa bibi ombe bie no a efa ena me no kase afenyo marking asa di eye ne keep faith group nanim so omo ko eye yoko because Hanan former CEO Edema National Football Fast Stock eda so eshim emi so omo nam kwan so ekọ no ana reho semi so ebae ntimi nim so omo to aso koi ana iso madani o mani o mani kira kwatia akwakuso a me mo nyina asoso hyeden na masre nkrofo se mo mfanya politics na mahu se binom ka o na NDC fo na matete no NDC fo na tete abranti ya na abranti we hye ne kwafri komuo se ka mafa nko a enka achechede fa bomofo kane because achechede no wura mo no dante bomofo ba nyina wo hu no se we se akoto aba na aba ne ekoto ye no chiriwahye aba ho se aba ne niam anko ye wesi ma we na ma we ne na mpeni se patapa pieto edemra na ewro nti ye de akopie mu court na court within na 17 obi betimi afa so adwenwen na se owu mpo a ye beka se no nikuni dia ene nkajachi kwesi nko wu ya cho nkajachi wu ya che ajachi kwesi nka se nke di ni mfinhia 9 mfinhia nunkura awie because the MPP di jachi kwesi mfa so no osenku ediniwo ye be call election ye be call by election ye nya ho president e ka kire se jachi kwesi we mamonto aba ma no okoje president mi o prejudicial MP before campaign against jachi kwesi na koto aba ma manfo ato aba ma no mo awini ye se jachi kwesi ye koto aba ma no na okutado citizenship enintia de ne court Emma Supreme Court catch and say moon tuni na nsim na shebedwa fie for 1 whole year jachi kwesi ama na nsim na shebedwa fie ekowi as Supreme Court say MP pani din kran free abako se mu se eto aba ma no se na shebedwa ni ye pepa ni din free mu jachi kwesi na MPP aban ka say yamfa no court every day from Monday to Friday, every day jachi kwesi enko court it happen awmaimu there's no review application jachi kwesi file with Supreme Court or Court of Appeal or High Court yes successful ye boni na tugui for 4 good years ye dragi jachi kwesi ene jachi kwesi wa and we deputy minister foreign affairs entimi nyini said this kind of enchiniwahyew ene mansotwe wa abato ho no etim obi wu senke kum obi dia ka jachi kwesi nke wawu because the MPP di jachi kwesi no it went beyond politics. They were determined said jachi kwesi nye se ye gu nanimu asekeke ye mpepa ni din kura mfiri abakosemu said Supreme Court timi catch them say don't call yourself as a member of parliament for 1 whole year. The good people of Asante North enya emrashe bedwani amana represent womo for one good year. Supreme Court watete, High Court watete, Court of Appeal watete, ni nyina chi dachi kwesiti ase. Enti mi nyini se eye because se na no 2025 battle ekoto ye. Na menti mo ase mba ya omoko court a eye Kofodua High Court e declare wanted. Enti ena ode ho adwendwe agu. Na sampo ne ekode a ye kase eduedue mu akwa. Yesi abobi beka wa na efrontumam. Sa brantie call primaries ewa MPP mu. Wani amasei 2020 our call primaries our weni amasei ehon sensem o call MPP mu anko mo twe na bo so chen obi a. Even now no election ya omko e mo amope no mpa mo kwa kwetiada mko tietie de. Imino ka so internally issues wo ho. Enti se bi a politics ho adwendwe no de awudi a menya sure say because of NDC for the omonya hwe. Na emom ni nyina mu no ye be mabusiafo nyina ya akọ ne hyede na emom bi nka se pudu onyo na emom pudu no jode na mo de ba dia so mo se MPP ade atomani sama transe ehunu se ade atomani te mo be transe na ma twene mo ho atike sober reflection atutu nya mayi na mo de be amanyosem dia ene mo betwa fufu ama na tonkwam pudu no jo na mo de ba dia e be di no jopa na mi wie ni sa na wo ka bibi about ewura no a ya man appointment no nana. Politics in Africa and for that matter Ghana are very dangerous. They're very interesting. So what follow Ghana political history and come here say and political omuye betrayers no always they get rewarded. Some other countries obi betray the political party and as a political leader they get killed. Baba Ghana there is not like that. From JB Dankwa Buzia Kotoka Eba besi Kwaku Annan Eba besi Aloteje Corps, all of them get rewarded because they betrayed their political parties. Shobiti said JB Dankwa betrayed Ghana. Yeah, pre-independence. One track a British government say parliament say Ghana ye mature and Timaya my independence. Yet MPP tradition eheli JB Dankwa. Instead of them to was now combating to Kokono. They ended up praising him and Oyomi hero and to make him to cry their mano. Obiti se buzia. Alien compliance order. When a cover by nye buzia by. A bra Kwame Nkrumah I build Pan Africa. I be men na kwampa ebetimi afaso aka ehwa bom na adwade ebetimi akoso no omutu Kwame Nkrumah bangu ye da eye buzi abaye na okofa alien compliance order de baye oni Akufo Addo papa ana mo pamo Ghana eye alatafo ne foreigners wo Ghana oko New Town Accra New Town na mo fro Lagos Town Nigeria fo dodo na na to oko nima ba bia na to nyina na Nigeria fo na ompamo mu nyina na mo fo Majapade faaye. It defeated the cause and the purpose of Pan-Africanism. With that betrayal, he got rewarded. He became a prime minister. Okofa Kotoka, nye Kotoka ne betray Kwame Nkrumah. And you want to leading me to Kwame Nkrumah banguye. Instead of saying Ghana, ye be baako ni atini suntes koko no. Wa me president. Kotoka. Okofo bi tise Kwaku Annan. Kwaku Annan was a general secretary, deputy general secretary, my MPP, NDC. Kwaya kwaso kopri general secretary ankasa no lusuye. He betrays the one party, NDC. Eko wi ase na Akufo Addo man appointment. 2020 election. Yakwa abatwo. Civil society organizations. Any 2024 election, civil society organization, per electoral commission accreditation. No ma kwa observe election electoral commission say me fama mo me wa no ma Kwaku Annan say at Ames Institute wa man no nko accreditation over 200 because Kwaku Annan to me betray or no ankasa ne political party called NDC at Ames Akufo Addo man sika man itimi ko tam ekofa mami bi a wabodam a otam fokura ni mu no so yo hema e de ne ba Jubilee House 100.5 say ono no kwa competition Akufo Addo say enko hwe atamasi wo mu No one at Kwaku Annan who nyebusuani because he was able to betray on one Kasana political party called NDC. Jobe disa Alote Jacob. Alote Jacob became a yesebi onipa ewa Ghana abakosemu because of NDC. 2016 election, he betrayed his own political party. Emma NDC lose more seats in the central region. Central region NDC seat eka 4 pe. He got rewarded. Afraid of a political strategy, senior political advisor Akufo Addo, any Bawumia government. So in Ghana's political history, and Krofua a betray or more political parties, and they get rewarded. For me to say Awa Mohammed. Awa Mohammed was NDC youth activist. 2016, few weeks to election, or betray NDC, or ban MPP mo na MPP mo, or more man there, or buy MPP buy ya no more appointed no call why. Francis Esiam, the same thing. So we betray party, then you get rewarded. Na ebiana abeto sabrante mo say President Rosemond. Obai, ebiana abeto no. Because wabeye the presidential staffer. Because few days to elections, she betrayed on one kasane boss. Dr. Bawumia. Said Bawumia ye indecisive. Bawumia ntimi sebi wonya bema osi so man swam. Ntimi nsiginaye. Wontimi nsiginaye. That 5 minutes, 2 minutes interview no. Amen wabeye presidential staffer. Yama ne car. Yama ne fie. O privileges bebre a obi a wasum NDC from 1992 cry nyaye. That's how they think so who follow her. Nana de bia unsabesi form. Hwe obi ti se ye NDC abayo be friend na mami Nshiradazi. Sa abayo e friend mami Nshiradazi amino ka say enoko central region one deputy women organizer. Sa abayo na be kan 2018. Ebra mo chi Kwaku Annan ho no. Yeah. NDC for ko board mpem ewo police CID headquarters. Ye bo masia mienu etuo. No kan wo ye bo tuo woni srim. Na se bi opa na srim a obehu etu aboba se guo. Edu se June July woni ba ontumi nante. Ni nyina chi sa abayo we because of NDC ti ekọ no ankasa ni krom. Eye Gomwado Rampong. Brofu yedu electoral area. Nani Paul ye assembly member or MPP ni oko contesti koji say seat ni the NDC. Or contesti as a deputy women organizer. It was our constituency no eye Gomwa East. Okay. Every name as a deputy women organizer. Esmo for 4 years. If you want to call central regional and no contest as a deputy women organizer and no sorry ye. Now no before ye be free ha call a sin of by election. Now on central regional executives no mu the room. And now minu ka say NDC aba ba mu 6 months ni. Muni ya we 7 months mu. Mami Nshiradazi in appointment. Ne car ketwa and na odi ko room kwa campaign ma NDC no. And na no dey Uber. And Obabesi or driving a car as a Uber because you're a man appointment. And yes, on corporate appointment officer will running your office as a ketwa. Was sacrificing in life now to the stand say and Kunu because of NDC. But only appointment. Because one betrayed the political party. But to be betrayed the political party few months to election, she get rewarded. And to what Ghana political history, and say it doesn't really make sense to be loyal. Yes, to be loyal to your political party. Just get closer to the influential people.
What is it, betrayal?
Yeah. Just get closer to the high ranking of the political divide. When it's getting closer to election, betray them.
We'll be given appointment.
So this is not a good signal to encourage the young ones between to be loyal and stand for a political party even in the difficult times. Okay. Obia betna MPP abamu for 8 years are benefiting. Become pay Bawumia aid for 8 years. We are benefiting all the 4 years. And then also benefited somebody became an AMP NDC ni as of 8 years in opposition and receiving bullets because of NDC still suffering. Merci. Only deserve appointment. But Latter-day Saint deserve appointment.
Yes, so special qualification.
This kind of appointment, it will never encourage the grassroots. It will never encourage anybody to be loyal, to be hardworking for a political party. You are rather encourage the young ones to be, disloyal. Trade. And say even when NDC was in power 2016, they were trading information to MPP. They were trading information. What sense would it make? So we don't come to our political party. Now party beba na ube ya pupu abebo wenso na nda su kachi. Na obi ananu ya bae no na onunu mum enjoy. And mo ya kura so amu nsa anye ni sumu ase. Mo sa ye ni pefe mu obi ehu edi yi nkrofo ahi. And Crawford appoint to more as a government communications for government communication. How many of them for the past 8 years stood a year for NDC? How many of them? How many of them sacrificed for NDC throughout? Some of them are on and off. Obu obano be receive attack kakra no cabinet woman no unity bako no diaba. But we have people that consistently for 8 good years in opposition they stood for NDC. How many of them have been appointed? How many of them and Crawford radio so TV so eka local language and they defend the NDC and receive you all at 10 years. How many of them has been appointed as a government communications? Year to abay year from December. Ever seen in July year Kasan Crawford radio so NDC a radio so TV so defend the NDC. How many of them pull out a year or Mankasa radio show programs on Mako? How many of them sit on radio? How many times do they go sit on radio or TV to defend the party? Even when NDC is doing the right thing. How many of them? How many times from radio show and I say TV show? You don't do this to encourage people. You do this to discourage people. Telling them to be disloyal. Because disloyalty pays in Ghana political history than being loyal to a political cause. Very sad. You're very sad.
You say so special qualification.
Well, a special qualification. We don't have that speciality. None of the NDC. Mami can say mitro. Upe emebuna enimwa die. Ewa Ghana hasia NDC for. For NDC ni babunu to go through Ghana law school. Now we're passing unisa wa bang. Unlike MPP, umbakwa kutria near diamo mono. Sammy Gyamfi be go through law school. Sammy Gyamfi or law school cry now a thorn in the flesh of MPP. To go through law school. Our winning every name say obey SRC president. 80 winning first class and no lawyer no. It tells you being our being. Speciality ben no kuta obi nkuta bi. When NDC mabuno mo social media won say no be on my being. Obi ti say Abnabagbo salad not Facebook abekasi odi agro be awa ben. She's a lawyer. Qualification be no wa oni bi. Obi ti say ade pena prisi. Masters be na woni bi. Bi awa ben. Qualification be no wa obi ni bi. Go to social media and follow some of the NDC who the men can the young ladies.
Yeah, well, even
there's a young lady who call Bridget, the BBB Bridget.
Yeah.
Bridget.
Yeah.
I was in the NDC under 18. Juma Bayo way yes 2024 elections.
Yeah.
That young lady. Qualification and no any PhD. Only new qualification. She doesn't deserve that appointment.
Almost free diaspora bad down.
Juma, they don't have that qualification. Like I said, Nana, politics, you know, are very diverse. Sometimes when you think about it, Nasa when you're well committed to the core, you be Adwin Sakra. You turn your weapon against your own political party.
Does it be the Aisha Ibrahim? One idea.
Aisha Ibrahim.
Okay.
Aisha Ibrahim don't be brave.
I saw what they now can hear Bridget Bonnie.
Bonnie.
Bridget Bonnie.
You have several of them. They don't qualify. Omunko school ni bi masters no mumo bi. That young lady or any PhD. Unqualified. MPP ni be na ko school ni ma dey sin NDC ni. Kira me from all me can say academic academic sphere. Is it law? Is it about economy? Is it about what? And nobody should insult Ghana for an NDC for intelligence. Say, okuta special qualification. Special qualification, bang. School ben or call NDC nin kobi. Degree ben waboy, masters ben waboy NDC nin mobi. And wofen ben okuta NDC nin kutabi. And wofen ben okuta bin kutabi. Ubeya cry yeni behind the scene. O medical numu. Non rising our umbra.
Oh, bad be. And you know, Becca, you be in Canada.
Will be a sacrifice for 8 good years. Or only deserve appointment. Obi betrayed Bawumia. Now who doesn't know about Bawumia incompetent? Who doesn't know about Bawumia indecisive? Who doesn't know?
Now who can answer that?
No, who doesn't know?
Now you betray the boss from Mujinidi.
Who doesn't know say Bawumia sebi okotobonkum? Who doesn't know? Say Bawumia kwana yire na yire piano yodum koko diatem. Who doesn't know? And who alone to me and a disappointment is telling NDC youth to say, think about yourself.
Yes, Bridget Boni, or a former SRC president, Wisconsin.
And I'm a man to us some call a yes and from. I hear me brano kabibi about a rana samana canon. Just some few days ago, Miss Rosemont Obeng, or co-representative, minister in charge of government communication, Honorable Fellows of Kwaku could deliver a speech in her capacity as who? So it's established. If it's not true, say government has appointed her as a presidential staffer. When issues by say Jocelyn Dumas has been appointed,
they issue a disclaimer.
They issue a disclaimer. They should issue a disclaimer and say government is appointing it to settle it. Nana, if you want more, I mean say 6 months of NDC government in India. Mr. My brother can was more new and Timmy say you no bo am say me be obet was me can we no major hawker. Timmy person me sweet kakrana me call. Who say the MPP minority so more call. Alcohol pem ewo eye yoko. Esan say former CEO Edema National Football Fast Stock Hanan or that so eshim because when Timmy meet the bail conditions are yoko for Saturday amano. No much as on your bonny beer. Now, one thing is a wound to me after some people cobbled on pim. And some shall see a bankroll whom wound to me and Yama Wayano. Most of them say no minimum one comanco. Some people before the doing him say wound to me quadri $10 million from Ezen Bank so their Kwaku Bruno could be an ensure you for Brunina. Kaminya show some commercial cobbled on pim, aqua Saturday no moyeno. Same way, I'm very confident, says the MPP phone him, Adia Sahanan. Why, yeah. They will not even waste their time, so almost social media, and they will even post anything in solidarity with Baby Oshano. Nana Minuka say, who call National Football Fast Stock Company, Car Bank SCOMO. Ombaneba no maye, he as a then CEO, private individual, kwako ikra emon. Edia Bagana, National Football Fast Stock, and Kwakokra. Because said that private individual no were linked to the CEO in the CEO use National Football Fast Stock. Equal guarantee a loan of 36 million Ghana cedis our car bank. Sir rising in a buy a bear spy the same National Football Fast Stock for shares or more rebaggy. No, they come secondary school for the proud to election one about Kojo Kyeremanteng a bear exposé. Something a musu eye chachuchi kata. Such a chachuchi kata akwa guarantee use GNPC. Akwa guarantee for loan edi ama ankrankra adwumakuo. Enti kufo me edi ni tumu. MPP tradition. Na wana me edi ni tumu. Akufo Addo say kufo versus chachuchi kata. Akufo Addo as attorney general oko e charge was kufo versus Chachuchi Kata. And indeed, when Chachuchi Kata call to our Bemono, Kofo can say over my dead body. Kofo by Ebe appointee new judges. Edo mo ko bench ne so amo constitute ejeli Chachuchi Kata. So declare a Chachu Kofo. I'm very biased. Yes, I know so you be biased, but facts are sacred.
Kofo never said over my dead body.
Kofo
he never said over my dead body.
Okay, then no you found.
They know it's a mrana mudi ejuma.
Justice Hariaban Akufo Edene Koeno. Who appointed him? Is it Akufo?
There been a constitution who yanenke appointed.
Very good. And you may say oh Akufo, but me. Men so many at enemy who know them say because it wasn't a mere mistake.
His Excellency the President, through the Constitution, were appointee or nominee, or appointee judges to the Supreme Court. Oma go through veterinary, I do molete sama. Judges no could case. Na say only omonya adwene. Do you make a reference to His Excellency John
Court Mahama ruling?
He used the Constitution to appoint.
Then the President said no.
And I mean, then the President,
me, I can say, he say, yeah, Pedro Bimodina Kwenem cry, a promotee, a judge from high court to that level. So Uncle Supreme Court. When they were doing the empanelment, our judges no corner and saying Akufo promoting, they were part and they made sure that Chachuchi Kata is jail. So you can be convinced, say Akufo, but me too. I'm entitled to my opinion and my intuition. Say I'm more than convinced. I am more than convinced.
Let's do something.
Indeed, 2008 election. MPP rally.
This is Constitution 1998. This is Constitution 1992.
2008 election campaign. Electionary campaign.
Article 146.
Seconds intervention.
Article 146. A procedure. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama a trigger through a petitioner. What is a petition will be their command until what trigger Article 146. Yenina ya no ko benkrum say enya President Mahama na you. What you say? The article in the Constitution. If years back President Kufo through the Constitution and it is enshrined in the Constitution, it's enshrined promote appointing persons to the Supreme Court through the Constitution, empaneling of judges President Ejuma, Chief Justice Ejuma. Now you perceive attribute it to the President there. And yet we cannot depart from the school of thought and conform so ekano. But here ye perceive ye ma or mind konenimuntino. You see, once the person has gone through the Constitution and the article and has not gone beyond it now, let's deal with it.
Few minutes now, because this is the kind of debate I am. 2008, before Ejina campaign platforms were Medina, MPP final 2008 election was jubilating because Chachuchi Kata. No or rotty in jail. Kufo.
No,
the records are there. The records are there.
Around you.
Yes, the records are there.
Yes,
I see the records are there. Kufo.
This is more propaganda than a discussion. So you go on.
Nana Sopa, Ochina, arranged. But I mean, let's let's meet here one-on-one. I'll provide the video. Jubilated because Chachuchi Kata were teaming the Chachuchi Kata Kwako to MPP final rally 2008. Your fees, I be mini banana fee. The videos are there, the archives are there. So if you're interested, I can give it to you.
Oh, please provide them.
And it's not for a whole Attorney General Akufo Addo MPP said was being wombremu. And for that matter, MPP tradition, there's no celebrated lawyer than Akufo Addo. Ebekwako Jina Court of Competent Jurisdiction and the charge watcher said Kufo versus Chachuchi Kata. It wasn't a mere mistake. You see the Ebusu wa kumamuno and I no pay muka. It is something Musi Chachu ya MPP tradition led by Akufo Addo in the two mono. And Hanan Akwako Yebi 36 million Ghana cedis. Most me and Kanwasem. Yoko for investigation my year. Nana ye biesu chirawa a bong 300 million Ghana cedis was transferred from a year a bank futumo NAFCO. Na 300 million transfer no. E mo 50 million transfer to go on one kasa ne personal account mu. E di mo 30 million go on one kasa ne wife account mu. And it think say Ghana buy my yenhwehwe mu. something a adubu ahin koye ya ene ogina court wa yedi na asem no Hanan de wa yentimi enka ho asem because Yoko ma bonten for the charge sheet man chere the crime wa allegedly wa committee. So MPP out of ignorance they can go there to exercise. It's within their right. But se brano so na sha say e boa power natural. Most of them be say be your course na say be your kwase adwuma no mokokoye. And no one month of protest. And a betimi aju obi o. Nana Adeba calls MPP when said this current Yoko boss, NIB, and after the Attorney General, no, they are never in hurry. And to I want to say there's so much pressure even from the NDC. So moon prosecutor, they are never in hurry. They are taking their time. Now obi bia video ni bia so na say and now say untumi wado. When was the last one to say untumi okasa? Onkasay. Edu boy wo pre ni lawyer attachia pre ene case ni enya nhase kra na so mo nsem nyina asa want to me 8 Andy pre atten emu ne ko ye ene o plea bargaining ene national service case ni kra nya nhase enkrofo nhase president scan beba enti sa na tie fidie ni yiwo na yiw na se o munnim de sa hanan se hana o se wan why your national food buffer stock no me say MPP themselves and kombe applaud Raymond Acha say onkos na wonya atwuma the kind of money MPP for awia no nana ke wunya say beko IMF how come say MPP 8 years even Eurobond no muntimi ntua with all this money kese omuntimi ntua by NDC by 6 months na no makokutua over 380 something million dollars Eurobond o makokutua ufi say scan free scan wa ya ye begi esika no do so onte ase no they can go to
very well.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.